Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to unblock your Payoneer account in 2025. And yes, it really works. If you've ever been locked out of your Payoneer account, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, most account blocks can be resolved quickly. Let's break it down. First, if your account is temporarily locked due to multiple incorrect login attempts, here's what you need to do. Start by waiting 30 minutes. If you've entered your login details wrong 3 times in a row, Payoneer will lock your account for half an hour. After this, your account usually unlocks automatically. If the lock persists, the next step is to reset your password. Use the password retrieval tool on Payoneer. It's designed to help you recover your account, even if you failed the security questions. Once your password is reset, try logging in with the new credentials. Now, what if your account is blocked for reasons other than incorrect login attempts? Maybe your account has restrictions or it's been closed. In that case, you need to contact Payoneer customer support directly. When reaching out, make sure to have your account details ready and be prepared to verify your identity. This could include submitting documentation that proves you own the account. Follow their instructions carefully. They'll guide you step by step, whether it's resolving a specific issue or, in some cases, applying for a new account if the old one cannot be reopened. The key here is patience and following the right steps. Most account blocks are temporary or easily resolved with a password reset or support guidance. So, that's it. With these steps, you can get your Payoneer account back up and running smoothly in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss tutorials like this. Drop a comment below if you've ever faced a Payoneer lockout. We'd love to hear your experience.